Yeah, man, blessed to get a youth them through stress and pain, no matter how tough and hard. Tell your mama hungry.
We are talking about from the 23rd to the 26th. We are talking about Reggae Jam, Germany, Fantan Mojah, about Dede.
Go! No, not yet, not yet.
Reggae Jam got soul. Reggae music rocking them bone. Them bone.
Life is the greatest gift. Protect and cherish it, my brethren and my sister. Because today you there, tomorrow you gone.
Yeah, man, blessed love and greetings. A blessed day to each and everyone, you know. Yeah, man, mama hungry. Fire bubble, you know. Fantan Mojah, drop out, drop flesh. Rest in peace, my brother, my king. Real general, you know, who I have utmost respect for. Yeah, man. Spend a few times around him, you know. Almost 2 years. Already at Jamaica, push the journey on the music. Around amongst Casper. Big up Casper. White Shadow, big up, brilliant. Big up yourself.
Tell your mama hungry, papa hungry, brother hungry, sister hungry.
Yes, man. I don't know. Condolence to the families and the kids them of Fantan Mojah, you know. Woke up this morning, my wife tell me the news, and my wife, you know. Yeah, because she heard me talk about him. She heard my name on the phone, you know. And as me say, I have respect for you, general, you know.
Do something for the poor. Open up the door.
Mama hungry, papa hungry. You love the new look. Get rid of the side, yeah? Side here, there. You see me? Yeah. Life are the greatest gift, you know. Today we're there, tomorrow we're gone. That's it. Yes, man. So Fantan Mojah was scheduled to be a reggae jam. And he did his last video where he let his fans them know that he might forward a reggae jam. See? Yeah.
We are talking about from the 23rd to the 26th. We are talking about Reggae Jam, Germany, Fantan Mojah, about Dede. We are talking about Reggae Jam. Reggae Jam got soul. Reggae music rocking them bone. Them bone. It's never getting old. Reggae Jam, love reggae music more and more. Say you do, Birds and Brook, Reggae Jam, Fantan Mojah, Dede. I'm on in now. Turn up.
John on the air for himself. And he never lived to see it. He has not got the opportunity to live to see it. But I don't know. Father God destiny, what is to be, you know. I know enough of the fans are heartbroken right now who bought their ticket, especially for go and see Fantan Mojah at the 8th year festival, you know. So now people are left distraught and devastated, you know. Earth heartbroken. Blessed love daddy, great Fantan Mojah drop out, you know. Yeah, you see it. Life, you know. No, I feel just give thanks every day, you know.
Every day.
Honest and manners, brother. Yes, man, sir. Great Fantan Mojah drop out. Boy. You know? Yeah, man. They got full of energy and a real brother. I'm sure I love him, sure I love. Respect, you know. You know, as a young artist, amongst them, you know, a Casper studio there. You know, White Shadow introduced me to them. And I had to DJ for Casper, you know. And he said, yeah, man, you have it. Roll in and come settle in yourself and thing. So big up Casper, you know. Yeah. Fantan Mojah, my daddy, and see them, man, there. Bills create an album. And I say, yo, even though that is something we can do too, and then first I see it with Determine as well. Determine create an album and me amongst him, have me look at input. Fantan Mojah, when I build him album for Joe Down Sound. Brilliant music was the engineer. Brilliant. Big up Brilliant on the beat. See it? Man don't sleep, the man don't go home. All the time we gone and we forward back the next day. Fantan Mojah that's true that. Sometimes run it off with him. No go home, we just dead with him and you know, ideas are come up and everybody can work. Work ethics, yeah man. Work ethics no normal. I can say it because I experience it. Fantan Mojah, you know? Yeah man. Watch a little clip in there with him and Beenie man a race.
Go!
No, not yet. How can I run in them now? You're going to be easy now. I don't run in them now. How can I run in them? Come back down here, come in, man. Why they running there alone? Me don't want to run here now. All right. And them up. Watch your man. Go, man. Set. Go! Yeah, no, Mr. Dad.
You see it? I saw the artists them for live in love, man. Big up Beenie, man. You know, so the artists them for live in love and brotherly love and full joy and you know health, fitness. See? Fitness over sickness. Your health is your wealth. Remember, life are the greatest gift. We don't know when our last day upon earth. You see me I say? Yeah, man. None of we don't know when our last day upon earth. So, I tell you, I'm Fantan Mojah with the dead. I create a, you know, a family, a unity.
The one you're knowing, 1 million
Mackerel, big up Majah Mackerel was there, you know. And Majah Mackerel start giving me flowers, them and my honors, you know. Let me know, say, yo, me a good artist can write. Can I hear me song them and I say, yeah man, you can write, you're a good artist. And I know, say, Casper, a real youth, me them amongst Casper. Say, yeah, them amongst a real, you know. Just have respect and loyalty. Majah Mackerel tell me that, you see me? Yeah man.
all my people rise and give wicked man a surprise.
Today we have Fantan Mojah. As I say, on a daily basis, you know, loot and fire. I had experience with loot and fire. As I can't pass through that, man, them come different because them say, yo, I America can do everything, man. Them can say, I can do my look engineering, artwork and them things. And I actually produce a rhythm with them, me and Casper. You know, maybe the rhythm and really fix it up and make a few changes. But we're going to talk about that another, because a part of the journey with Fantan Mojah. You have a song named Wall Street. And the martial law rhythm saying,
Say you do, along a you, little puppy. No face this lion. Me box make your face go a Zion. Little puppy, no run with the lion.
me and Jah Thunder stop the crime. You know, we have Real Skill on the rhythm, we have Jah M on the rhythm, Higher Up on the rhythm, Capleton on the rhythm. Yes, but we're going to talk about that in another vlog, man. But with us, I send my first sincere condolence to Fantan Mojah, you know. Yes, Jano Star. You know. Life, our greatest gift, my lion and my lioness, my viewers and subscribers.
Tell them I'm hungry, Papa hungry, brother hungry, sister hungry.
Condolence again to the families of Fantan Mojah, real general, real brother. The man they rate me till man him start roll at a shorter time. I just show me had my little setback from the, you know, the gatekeeper them, syndicate them. You know, my management investor lost a lot of money, you know, over £5,000 at the time, and nothing we paid for the package never forward, and just broke my vibes. And at the time we did get a booking for go Belgium and Germany to do a festival, so I just lift up. So me and Fantan, we roll for a little short time, you know, until I cut. You see me, because man I say, yo, roll with me, man. Then him start rolling in car and them things, you see me? Yeah. But as me say, rest in peace, Fantan Mojah. Blessed love, but there's school, you know. School run. You know, after the phone, you know. See? Like and share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Mama hungry, Papa hungry.
Do something for the poor. Open up